tuxedo.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you this really beautiful sunset overlooking the ocean. If you want to recreate this look, keep watching. First thing that I'm using is my P.Louis Romour 2 base. So now that my primer is on my eyes, I'm going to be going in with my first color. And I'm using the Me, Myself, and Mmmitchel palette, the one that I love the most. So I'm going to be going in with this bright color here. This is called Manchester, or should I do the mixer? So I'm just basically patting it around, like going in the same shape of my eyebrow. We're just building this color up. And I'm just doing slow circle motions. Right under that color, I'm going to be going into this orange color, and it's called Mental. Go back and forth and blend them into each other. This plum purple here, and this is called Moto. And then I'm going to be mixing it with the Moody Mitch, this blue right here. So this is just going to make our sunset like look more realistic, as if it was really setting. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Because this is like really coming together. Like I can actually see it. Okay, so now I'm tired of the Moto. Let's go in with the Moody Mitch. And I'm kind of gonna drag this dark blue down as I'm like mixing both together. These two. back in with the moto. So remember, we're mixing, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh! I can't believe I did this. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Because it's coming out exactly how I wanted it. So next we're going to be just cutting this with our P.Louis Romour 2 primer. So I'm going to cut it right about here. Bring this down. Now we are going to add our color. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add my color. So I'm gonna be going into my NYX palette, and I'm gonna be using this teal color right here. Now let's add our glitter. So I'm using my NYX glue, Golden Paradise glitter. So it just looks like this. It's really pretty. I like to do my eyes first because all of the fallout is easy to brush away. So I'll just pack it on there, make sure it's all good. Oh my gosh, you guys. This ocean is glittery. Ladies, oh, this is so pretty. Now that our glitter is on, I just want to do a little shimmer in the corners of my eyes. Okay, so I want to spice things up a little bit with this eye, so I'm just going to add a little bit more glitter. But this is going to be a different kind. This is by the same brand, but it's actually chunks of glitter, so I'm just going to add some chunks of glitter on top. I'm using my Chanel foundation first, and then I'm going to be mixing it with my LA Pro concealer because sometimes this is too light, so yeah. Concealer. So I'm going in with my LA Pro concealer. Going under here. Picture my nose. And I'm using my new beauty blender that my fiance picked up for me when he went to the store yesterday while I was getting this beauty room together. Shout out to fiance. So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god, I think I just messed up my under eye. No. You have to be really, really careful. Cashew powder. I'm just gonna be putting that under my eyes. And the last time I used this, I didn't too much care for it, to be honest, but my last video I looked a little white, so let's just see how this works out. Let's just set this under here. Let's move on to highlighter. So the highlighter I'm gonna be using today is gonna be by e.l.f. and this is called Apricot Glow. Apricot Glow. We're gonna move on to lips, and since my eyes are very dramatic, I'm gonna go with, of course, a nude lip, like I always do. So I'm gonna be taking my lip pencil here. This is from the beauty supply store. I do not have the name. Everything is scratched off, but I love how this pencil rolls on so smoothly.